What's up, YouTube family? How's everybody doing today on this Tuesday afternoon, guys? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, chilling, having a great day. Most importantly, you guys are having a safe day, guys, wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Hamid J, and I'm about to drop it like it's hot, guys. I'm about to break you off the latest and greatest in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, on this channel, I break you off Doge and overall crypto news. I try to keep you informed on developing and breaking news. Now, if you're new to my channel and all this sounds good to you, maybe you can help your boy out by maybe giving me a thumbs up or even a thumbs down, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Maybe hit that subscription bell and help me out with that YouTube algo. I really appreciate it, guys, and it'll help get this content out there to the masses, right? And let them know what's going on with Doge and the overall crypto markets, so we can make this Doge army a lot bigger. But if you don't choose to do any of those things, I appreciate you just stopping by and checking my channel out as a viewer. None of this is ever financial advice, guys, so remember that, okay? It's just your boy sharing his thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, I'm ready. Are you guys ready to get it? I can't hear you. Are you ready? All right, baby. I'm ready. You're ready. Let's get it. Let's dive into it. All right, guys. Bitcoin is at 46,853 with 43 cents. We're up 4.04% for the day. Not too shabby, right, guys? I mean, and we got a golden cross. Things are looking pretty bullish, hopefully. For Bitcoin, it's still holding, right? We're holding above that 45,500, which is a crucial level that we need to stay above. And currently, we are staying above it, right, guys? So, all right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into the main superstar of my channel, and that is Dogecoin. Guys, we went down, guys. We ranked number 9. At least we're in the top 10 still, but we're down to number 9 on Coin Market Cap, right? We were all the way up to number 7. Now we're back down. We're down to 9, guys. Things ain't looking too good right now. We're going to dive into the charts. Things are temporarily looking bearish as well. I'll dive into that here and explain that to you guys in a second. Guys, we're currently sitting at 0.2384, which is the higher end of 23, almost getting close to 24 cents. We are up 0.01% for the day. We had a 24-hour low of 0.234, right? That's the lower end, right? Obviously, of the 23 cents. Our 24-hour high was at 24 cents. Our market cap is sitting, guys, at $31.27 billion, and volume is at 998.97 million. We have dipped below $1 billion, and that isn't good, guys. Obviously, that's why the price of Doge has been just looking flat, you know what I mean, looking dead, just boring, not really doing much, right? Granted, when Elon Musk tweeted about Floki, his new Shiba Inu dog, the price went up to, you know, the mid 25s, but then pretty immediately it dipped right back down to 23 cents. Now we're struggling between 23 and 24 cents now, guys. That's where we're struggling at. So we need bulls, retail investors, institutions, whales, everybody and their mama to come in and start buying up Doge, right, by the dip, so we can create more volume, which in return pushes the price of Doge up. If not, we're going to continue to stagnate where we are, and then we're going to continue to go down, guys, and we don't want that, right? All right, enough of the stats now. Let's dive into this chart here and look at the chart, see what's crackling, guys. All right, your boy be looking at the daily, okay? So this is the daily chart, guys. And what I'm looking at, we're going to talk about support first, okay? So as you can see, the red line down below, that's the 200-day moving average, okay? That was acting as our support. So now I'm going to give you a couple reasons why the technicals are looking bearish for the time being, right? Okay, one, okay, we have dipped below our level of support. Two, we flipped the trend, which is when your support is now your resistance. Okay, we had it 200-day moving average acting as our support, but we're now for 2 days in a row now we have dipped below that support, and we are now basically using that as resistance. And the third reason is the 200-day moving average, right, guys? If you look at it, guys, we've been pretty much trending right above it, right? So when you're above the 200-day moving average, that is bullish. But anytime you dip below that 200-day moving average, the technicals are on the bearish side. So I gave you guys 3 reasons why things are looking bearish when it comes to the technicals for the time being. Now, that doesn't mean that's long term. You know, that's why I emphasize in the short term. All right, guys. So as you can see, like I said, the past 2 days we've been underneath that level of support. So in my opinion, now this 200-day moving average is acting as our resistance, and it is at 0.2452, right, guys? So that is pretty much 25, you can say 25 cents, or you can call it for where it's at 2.2452. For me, I'm rounding that off to 25 cents. Okay, guys? And resistance and support is at 23 cents. As you can see, this 23 cents area, we haven't dipped pretty below it in the past, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. In the past 6 days, we haven't dipped below it. So that is holding pretty strong for the level of support. But now our resistance, guys, is this 200-day moving average, right? As you can see, I had the red line here, right, which was the 100-day moving average, and that was acting as our resistance. As you see, for like 8 days in a row, we have just been riding right along with it. We tested it numerous times, but we got rejected numerous times. Every single time we tried it in the past 8 days, we get rejected. Now we are underneath our 200-day moving average. So guys, I know I'm belaboring the topic, but I'm emphasizing things do look temporarily bearish, and we're in the 900 millions when it comes to volume. Man, things ain't looking too sharp. I'm not giving up. I'm a long-term diamond hand hodler of Dogecoin. I ain't giving up. I'm just sharing with you, and I'm keeping it real, right? I'm not gonna. Everything can't always be peaches and cream, guys. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, right? You got to call it for what it is and keep it real. I keep it real on my channel. All right, guys. Well, that's what I had as far as the chart goes. Okay. Now let's dive into this article here out of Benzinga. Now it says all in on Dogecoin. It says why evolving fundamentals could make Doge a sound investment. Now let's see what these guys got to say. Now it says Dogecoin started out as a joke, but some believe its rapidly evolving fundamentals are now making it sound investment choice. And I agree, guys, right? We have the Doge in Ethereum bridge, right? They're collaborating together, working on faster transaction speeds, so working on trying to lower the transaction cost, right? So it can be damn near to zero, right? Because if you want Doge to be used as an everyday currency, right, whether it's to buy Dallas Maverick tickets or to buy some airplane tickets or whatever the case may be, you want the cost to be damn near nothing, right? Because who's going to want to be spending Dogecoin when you're going to be having to pay 50 cents to $1 or $2 every time you do a transaction, right? I mean, might as well just go use regular fiat or your debit card or Visa, whatever it may be. I'll just keep it real, right? So they're working on that, and hopefully that will be sooner than later, and therefore we'll be able to use Doge as a everyday currency, right? There's already over 1,600 companies that accept it as a form of payment, so we're baby stepping our way there to making it an everyday fiat or everyday currency. Now it says evolving fundamentals mean that Dogecoin is quickly moving. Last month, tech tycoon Elon Musk backed the idea of Dallas Mavericks billionaire owner Mark Cuban that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange, despite that Musk admitted in late July to owning mainly Bitcoin and only then some Ethereum and some Doge. There has been sharp increase in the coin's adoption, and according to CryptWork data, Dogecoin can be currently spent at 1,672 merchants, nearly 39% up from the start of the year. For comparison, Bitcoin is currently accepted by 7,454 merchants, just under 17% up from the beginning of 2021. So guys, if you just see that, right, guys, we're up 39% from January till now, right, from people realizing that Dogecoin isn't a joke coin anymore, and that they're taking it seriously, and they're accepting it as a form of payment. That should show you there, guys, right? Adoption is like I said, is baby steps for Dogecoin, right? This is a good thing. It says Dogecoin is also a niche leader. It is the first meme coin that caters to the same crowd attracted to the meme stocks, and some suggested it also serves as a gateway to the broader crypto world for newbies. It is, guys. A lot of newbies only know about crypto now because of Dogecoin. So it acted as a gateway to open the broader gates for people to get more invested in the crypto. And that's what we want, right? Because we want Dogecoin and the overall crypto markets to be accepted, right? We want adoption. So this is like a lure, if you will, right? Like it's a fishing hook, and it's luring in the newbies, right? Dogecoin it's luring them into the overall crypto markets, which is a good thing. Now it says after 6 years, the coin recently reestablished a foundation, the Dogecoin Foundation, dedicated to the development of its ecosystem, with participants from co-founder Vitalik Buterin, Musk, and his legal and financial advisor Jared Bichero. Man, just those two powerhouses right there is a good thing, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, and over 6 years, and now they have a dev team. This is really good. It says, looking at all those fundamentals, investing in Dogecoin does not look like a pure speculation anymore. Still, caution is needed when approaching it, since the recent on-chain data analysts suggested centralized supply effectively creates a small table of players with the ability to dictate the Doge price at will. In other words, they're saying, guys, that there's whales, right? That's what they're saying without saying, right? Because there's one wallet that owns 28.2% of all circulating Doge, and then there's like I can't remember how many other, off the top of my head, how many other whales there is that supply it, right? So basically that's what they're getting at, right? That whales can manipulate the price up and down if they choose to. Now it says price action at last. Tuesday afternoon, Dogecoin is trading just under 24 cents after gaining about 3.5 over the last 24 hours. All right, guys. So, you know what I mean, guys? So they had nothing but good stuff to say about Doge, right? You know what I mean? Saying that it's, you know, it went from a joke coin to now it's fundamentals. It's got fundamentals. A lot of people were saying that it had no fundamentals. They were saying there's no dev team, but after 6 years now we do, and we got powerhouses such as Elon Musk, and we got Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's co-founder, right? So we got a lot of positive attributes going for Dogecoin, guys. But all right, this is what your boy had for you on this Tuesday afternoon. Hopefully it was informative, helpful. If it was, hit that subscription bell and hit that thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment down below, good or bad. It's all good, baby. I appreciate it. I take criticism. It's all right, guys. You stay safe and stay blessed. Your boy is out to tomorrow. Peace. Dogecoin to the moon, baby.